In this video, we're going to be talking about how to enroll in Pacific Western Online Banking. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Pacific West Bank application, and you're going to be welcomed by this screen right over here. Now, on the bottom left of your screen, there's a register button. As you can see, simply tap on that. Once you tap on your register button, they're going to ask you a couple of information like your phone number, your email address, your first name, last name, your account number. When you simply go ahead and submit that, they're going to send you a verification code to your phone number that is linked with your bank account. And when you simply go ahead and enter that verification code, they'll let you create a user ID and password to create the account. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.